We're at the IU Health Family Farm now, meeting some new friends in the goat enclosure.
As you might imagine, the work of a zookeeper never ends. It takes a lot of skill and maintenance to keep these critters happy.
And skill brings us to our next story. He might not be in charge of a menagerie of animals, but he's certainly the go-to caretaker for local instruments. Mason Shorter explains.
Lafayette is home to many musical organizations. Between local musicians, bands, and orchestras, one man serves as the backbone for all woodwind and brass repairs. Brent Laidler.
Brent Laidler is the founder and owner of the instrument repair shop Brent's Bench, Inc., located at 229 South 4th Street in Lafayette.
Which all starts here, which is the bench, the instrument repair bench that I've been sitting at for well over 30 years.
That's 30 years spent serving every school in Tippecanoe County, 5 faith-based schools, and Purdue University. He's seen musicians go from their firstborn to collegiate faculty and recording for Walt Disney and top publisher Hal Leonard, with those customers still coming back.
We love supporting the local students because everybody starts in the same place in the 6th grade, and you never know who's going to go on to become great.
Jefferson High School music teacher Tyler Long had this to say about Brent.
That ability to keep instruments maintained always is a huge blessing for us and something that we definitely do not take for granted.
Brent shows up outside of the business, too. He supports the Wabash Valley Youth Symphony, Children's Music Foundation, Tippecanoe Chamber Music Society, and Lafayette Citizens Band. He serves as administrator for the Tony Zamora Jazz Scholarship, which awards high school students with a cash prize towards college. He has received international endorsements and a Distinguished Service Award from ISMA. But Brent says there is still a higher honor.
It's remarkably rewarding to have the student come in to try an instrument out after we have serviced it, because almost universally they'll light up when they play and say, "It's not me." That just makes our day.